Today I'm at Habitat for Humanity and we're gonna go searching for some catch pots for my plant babies. Let's go. Right. We're in. We're gonna go to the plant section first. I always search for pottery too. Okay, well this is kind of neat. $5. This is cute. Oops. It's not bad. It's kind of small though. I'm looking for something bigger. This one's neat. Uh-oh. Not sure. I think I might get this one to $2.50. It would fit a idea here, something like that. It'll kind of stick out. See, I don't really like the browns. I mean, I like brown, but I don't have enough brown catch pots. I don't know. Let me think about that one. Let's see. What else do they got here? This one's not really wanting that one. Let's see what else they have. Let's take a look. We're gonna go over to the kitchen section. Oh, look at these white little pots. These are cute. Oops. Don't want that to happen. These little white ones are adorable. 50 cents. And then there's, what's this one over here? Oh, that one's really heavy. Oh, hold on. That one's cute too, but it's kind of small. It's $1. I do like the colors though. I don't really like that one back there. Let's go check the houseware section and see what pottery pieces they have there. This one would be kind of good for a pot. $8. I'm not a fan of the grapes though. Put that back. Let's take a look and see. I also like using glass pieces too. See anything. This is kind of neat. $6. I think this one used to have a lid. I don't really see anything here. adorable. I'm gonna go around. Let's go over here. It's really busy today. Lots of people. So I'll just wait until some of the aisles clear up and just look at this aisle. Always looking for, you know, just different pieces. They don't have to be an actual plant pots. It can be something like this, but obviously this is pretty neat. Oops, sorry. It's handmade pottery. I just wish it'd be nicer if that was larger. And you could stick a pot in there. Plastic pots, but I don't really see anything. I will probably go grab that brown one that we saw over there, but actually let's go this way. Oh, look at this. This is really cool. I love the blue with the browns. Wish it was bigger. See over here. Glasses. Not a lot going on. Oh, look at this cute thing. Sometimes you could put $7. I like that. I have enough batter bowls. I don't need any more. I always go to the thrift stores to look for different and interesting catch pots. Especially pottery pieces. Okay, we've been in this aisle. Let's go over here. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go back and grab that brown pot because it is large enough. I think I'm gonna grab this because even if you have these black ones, the nursery pots, it's kind of sticking out a little bit, but it's double. Actually, there's I think 3 in here, but it's so, you know, I mean, for $2.50 you can't go wrong. And somebody made that, you know, I see a signature there. So yeah, we're gonna grab this guy. Don't really see a whole lot today. Let's check the baskets. Put this down. What's this guy? It's a little bit ripped. Look at that. I like this. It's a little bit damaged. What are they asking? $5. It's lined. No, it's $8. No, it's $3. Wow, I kind of like that. I may have to get this one for $3. It'll fit a large plant. I'm gonna get it for $3. You can't go wrong with that. Look at this bench, guys. It's $25. Just need some cushions, which would be really good. Wait, I'm gonna try to sit in it. even though I probably shouldn't. Maybe not. I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna do I need it? Probably.
Yeah, it just came without the cushions.
Yeah.
I took it from here.
Yeah. I decided against it. I'm just gonna go with these two items here because I don't see anything else. Okay. I don't see anything other than what I've picked. Oh, let's do one more look around. But I'm pretty happy with what I found today. Nice big basket. Yeah, it's a little bit. I like it. It'll be perfect for some of the bigger potted plants that I have. I'm sure I'll find a purpose for it. Yeah, that's all. I don't see anything else for today. Nope, sorry. I'm back here again. Just doing a second sweep. I tend to do that. Go around first time and then go back second time. You know, just in case something was missed. But yeah. I don't see anything else that I could use as a cool catch pot for the plant babies. All right, that's it for today. Until next time, bye now.